Good morning. Friday morning. Hamvention has started. They just opened the doors maybe 5 minutes ago. People are starting to stream in behind me. I'm headed to the boneyard. Here we go. We're on a mission.
A pizza mission.
A pizza mission. Frank, what do you like most about pizza?
The sauce. How the sauce and the bread work together to deliver the cheese to my stomach. And then the additional of ham and pineapple on it. Oh, it's amazing.
Ham at a ham fest. I don't know if we're getting pizza with ham on it, though. Okay. That's the issue.
Oh, that would have been so good. So good if we got that.
Do you know what type of pizza we're getting?
No idea.
We're getting Detroit-style pizza.
Detroit, so that's deep dish?
Kinda.
Okay.
Deep dish, I think the pizza sauce goes on top. In Detroit, it just all goes together, but it's very deep. It's
very
deep. It's deep.
It's all going together in the same place when we're done with it.
Now, will we be able to get this pizza to the boys without a slice missing? That, oh my God, monster truck going on here. What is going on?
Oh. No, I think there's going to be a couple of Pac-Man pizzas. Special edition, limited only to the Hamfest Pac-Man pizzas.
No, it's just standard pepperoni pizza that we're getting. Sorry. Actually, we're getting a pepperoni and a supreme.
Mm-hmm.
One has got turbo crust.
What's turbo crust?
I don't know. And the other one has got like some sesame crust.
Okay.
So, I'm hungry.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Today's going to be an interesting day. It is Saturday of Hamvention. It is currently about 8:41 in the morning. I'm getting a little late start today because my liver is angry from all of the partaking of adult beverages from this weekend. But we are on our way to Hamvention, and it is going to rain all day. So this is going to be interesting. If you haven't been to a Hamvention where it downpours all day, well, you're about ready to find out.
Hands, how many of you are fans of microphones?